Bit like Abdi. I hope you're all keeping well. And welcome to Fishing Things. Now, the next, I'm going to be having a go at cooking squid. Making squid rings. I've never done it before, so we'll see how I get on. I've never tasted squid before either, so it'll be my first time tasting squid. One of our customers in a boatie, when we was out on Saturday, hauled up a bonny squid, and it's a big squid, and this is the quill that came out of it, the plastic bone type of thing that came out of the squid. And look at the size of that. So, but anyway, I ended up with a squid. So I'm going to be cooking tonight. So enjoy. Just watch and enjoy. Oh, get him up, it's a bonny squid. Get him in, Squid. That's a beauty. Oh, you beauty. Well done. And it's a beauty of a squid. Cracking squid. Now, I had a good time to cook it the night, or even the morning for all that matter. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clean it, and I'll freeze the bits that I need to keep, and cook it some other time. So I'm going to haul out the heater. And hopefully Mr. Guts will come out with it. No. I'm going to try and get the bean. Droop the hood on top. Right, that's a bean. A big squid like. I think that's good in the wash though, dude. I'll take a scan off next. It's just a case of getting your fingers underneath it and peeling it off. It's pretty easy to do. Sure, some of you out there will be screaming at me just now. See, and that's not the rest way to do it. Now, I'm going to take the wings off. Now, you can just rip them off, you see, you just break them away. Like that. And you just separate for the body. Now, as you can see, I'm not an expert at this carry on. Because it's not often we get a squid. But it's the best I can do. Now, give it a wash. Now watch it. 2 wings and the body. Right, I've stuck this bitties with tentacles in it and a stubby, and I'll freeze that separate. I mean, I might use this for bait. It's not a good bait, you know. Because I'm not an expert at cooking these things. So, but I'll see if it happens. So I don't have to be. Well, what can I say? What a horrible nest it is. Early winter coming on now. In spite of it being such a horrible nest, I'm going to cheer myself up. I'm going to cook squid rings, and this will be my first time I've ever cooked them. I once cooked an octopus 2 or 3 years ago. It turned out like rubber, so it was like John and all rubber tire. But squid, I'm going to want to have a go at it and see if it like. I'm hoping it turns out good. I've never tasted squid before either, so it'll be my first time tasting squid. So we'll see how we get on. What I'm going to do first, I'm going to mix up a batter. So what I'm using is a soapy flour, water, wee soapy vinegar, some sea salt, some pepper, and some garlic granules, dried garlic. Mix that up. Soak in more water. If it's over thick, just add a soap in more water. If it's not thick enough, add some more flour. No, it's fine. Fine like that. Now this squid is was freshly caught last Saturday, and I cleaned it off, stuck it in the freezer, and I took it out the freezer 2 or 3 years ago, so it's thawed out now. So it's been in the freezer for 6 days, so I'm going to slice it up into rings, maybe about 10 mm thickness. Look at the size of that rings. They're beautiful. Right. Now, put the frying pan on. And I'm going to put in olive oil. We'll get a minute to heat up. We need this really heat. As heat as we can. As I say, this is the first time I've cooked squid rings, so I'm hoping I get it right first time. Now we can start putting the rings into the butter. Now I've got some salad here to go with the squid rings, and we'll put a bit of lemon in. So we can squirt a bit of lemon on it, and I've also got the chili sauce, sweet chili sauce. I think that's heat enough now. So we'll take the squid rings and pop them in. Well, that's plenty. That's about 1.5 minutes. Open in there to drain off. Now it's plenty. Open that now. Right. I've just given them about 1.5 minutes, because they're just going like rubber if you did much longer. Right. Now to taste them. My first taste of squid. Right. Try this little lid. Beautiful. Well, what can I say? It's absolutely beautiful. My first taste of squid, and it's beautiful. Scallops, that's what it reminds me of. Just like a scallop, and I love scallops. Beautiful. If you like my videos, mind and subscribe to my wee channel, FISHnTHINGS. That's it for now. Take care of die, en I'll catch you later. Oh boy.